Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best ceramic coating is probably one of the most effective ways to protect your car's paint and maintain its showroom shine. This innovative technology creates a durable, hydrophobic layer that repels water, dirt, and other contaminants, making your car easier to clean and less susceptible to damage from environmental factors. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of ceramic coatings, exploring their benefits, application, and how to choose the right one for your vehicle. Number 5. Shine Armor Fortify Quick Coat. Tired of complicated car washes? This product simplifies everything. It allows you to wash, shine, and protect your car in just one step, without any water or mess. This spray features an advanced ceramic coating. It creates a hydrophobic shield, effectively repelling water, dirt, and grime, keeping your car cleaner for longer. Get a professional, high-gloss look effortlessly. The formula ensures a streak-free finish, leaving behind zero residue, and making your car shine like new. Worried about damaging your car's surfaces? This product is safe for all surfaces. You can use it on paint, glass, plastic, and trim without any worries. This is simple, effective, and saves you time. The waterless formula allows you to clean your car anywhere, anytime, making car care more convenient than ever. What we like. This product offers a convenient 3-in-1 solution, allowing you to wash, shine, and protect your car in one step. It's waterless, so you can clean your car anytime, anywhere. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to maintain your car's appearance without the hassle of water, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Product applied easily and wiped off easily with absolutely no hazing or streaking. Bonus points that you can use this to treat your wheel, windows, and trim as well. Easy to apply, and the instructions were straightforward. There's a lot of physical labor that goes into getting it done correctly, that or I'm fat, but I still took some shortcuts. I sprayed larger areas and then wiped them down, opposed to the recommended small areas. As long as you move quick enough with the drying, it doesn't seem to make a difference. It certainly sped things up and I still got great results, no streaks, no gunk left behind, great shine. The glass was spotless. Zero streaks. Number 4. CERAKOTE Platinum Rapid Ceramic Paint Sealant Spray. This product has an improved longevity rating, making it last longer than ever before. It's designed to keep your car protected for an extended period. The finish is incredibly slick to the touch. You won't believe how smooth it feels until you experience it yourself. Get the highest level of gloss and shine you've ever seen. Achieve mirror-like results with an easy application, right at home. This ceramic technology repels water, road grime, mud, and dirt. It helps keep your car cleaner for a longer time. Simply wash and dry your vehicle as usual. Then, spray a light coat onto a panel and buff it to an incredible shine. It's that easy. What we like. This product boasts an industry-leading 50 wash rating, ensuring long-lasting protection for your vehicle. It provides an unmatched slickness that you have to feel to believe. If you want a ceramic coating that offers both durability and an incredible shine, this is the one to choose. What people say. I waited for the coat to flash, which in the cold weather I was doing it in, took several minutes, and then leveled it and wiped it down with a dry clean microfiber rag. After applying one coat of this sealant, I applied a coat of polymer wax for UV protection to the whole vehicle, glass, plastic, and rubber. It then rained. It was simple to apply and car got a very nice shine. Very hydrophobic. I had rain 3 days later and it performed flawlessly. Number 3. Lifeproof Ceramic Coating Spray Kit. Tired of scrubbing? This ceramic coating prevents stains and buildup. It makes cleaning a breeze, protecting surfaces for months. Get that clean glass feeling. This product repels liquids and stains. Remember, do not use it on floors due to its super slick properties. Use it on almost any hard surface in your home. It's safe for granite, stainless steel, glass, and more. It is versatile and effective. Protect your surfaces with peace of mind. This coating is non-toxic and has passed safety testing. It is safe for your home. Simply spray, buff, and remove any residue. Wait for it to cure, and you're done. It can be removed with isopropyl alcohol if needed. For best results, clean the surface first. What we like. This product makes cleaning effortless, preventing stains and grime buildup on various surfaces. It's safe to use on multiple surfaces in your home. If you want to protect your kitchen and bath surfaces with a non-toxic coating that simplifies cleaning, you should consider it. What people say. Doesn't completely prevent fingerprint smudges 100%, but it does help tremendously, and what does show up wipes away extremely easily. Spills and splatters on my gas range now wipe off way more easily than they did before. This product does what it states. Used it on all my stainless steel appliances and it looks wonderful and no fingerprints. Number 2. Chemical Guy's HydroSlick Ceramic Coating Hyperwax. Have you ever wanted the shine of a wax with the protection of a ceramic coating? This is a new category of product that gives you the best of both worlds. It's easy to apply and delivers incredible results. This unique formula combines the best features of traditional wax and ceramic coatings. You get the shine and depth of wax, along with the longevity and protection of ceramic. It's a simple, easy-to-use product. HydroSlick uses advanced SiO2 gel suspension technology. This makes it incredibly user-friendly and durable. Anyone can now apply a professional-quality ceramic coating with ease. The ceramic SiO2 nanotechnology seals your car's paint, creating a water-repellent surface. It protects against road grime and contaminants for up to a year. Water will bead right off of it. Looking for a great gift for car enthusiasts? This is an ideal choice. It's a high-performance, easy-to-use ceramic coating that keeps vehicles looking their best all year long. Give the gift of shine and protection. What we like. This product introduces a unique Hyperwax technology, combining the best of wax and ceramic coatings. It provides long-lasting protection against the elements. If you're a car enthusiast looking for an easy-to-apply product that delivers both shine and durability, it's a great choice. What people say. This was so simple to use, and I noticed an immediate difference. Right after using the clay bar to prep the surface, I used this product. Gorgeous shine to my paint, and water beads very nicely. Leaves unbelievable shine and protection. Number 1. Adams Graphene Ceramic Spray Coating. In the car care world, many products claim to be ceramic coatings, but this is the real deal. This spray uses cutting-edge graphene technology to provide genuine ceramic protection. Applying ceramic coating has never been easier. With UV tracers, you can see exactly where you've applied it, ensuring complete coverage. Using a UV flashlight helps you see the coating. This product uses unique graphene chemistry to seal your paint. Both detailing enthusiasts and professionals can easily apply this to exterior surfaces. It's a powerful addition to any car cleaning kit. This coating protects many areas of your vehicle, including painted surfaces, wheels, and glass. It's safe for headlights, plastic trim, and more. Apply it panel by panel for the best results. Adams is committed to providing high-quality car cleaning products. If you're not satisfied, let them know, and they'll make it right. This product is proudly made in the USA. What we like. This product features true graphene ceramic coating, offering cutting-edge protection for your vehicle. It includes ceramic glow technology, making application easier than ever. If you want the latest in ceramic coating technology with added ease of use, then this is the product for you. What people say. Application is super easy, especially compared to prep. Wipe on, wait for the oil slick look, and buff off. With up to 18 months of protection, this spray offers incredible longevity. The shine it delivers is jaw-dropping. My car has a deep, mirror-like gloss that rivals a professional ceramic coating. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.